Thank you for buying Tapsi mini stimulator with 10 unit. First of all, remove lint cover from the electrodes and drip of water numbers of times. Approximately 15 to 20 times drip in water as per video. If water is not inside properly cap cover, output will not remain. If you fill completely water inside cotton cover, lint pad or cover, inbuilt plate electrodes. Now main socket or main switch on as per video. Now intensity knob is 0 and switch on. First I clarified that 230 volt must be required for this unit. This unit is not working on 110. Now put hand on the cotton electrodes and gradually and slowly intensity increase. Now you can see fingers is vibrate automatically as per IC current. Now intensity is 0 and turn switch on tense mode and intensity is gradually increase and fill tense current. There is two things is important. Number one, 230 volt is most important of this unit, and cotton plate electrodes drip into water numbers of times. Now intensity is 0 and switch off the unit. Thank you.